Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Juice Videos Mine. And today, we are unboxing this GoPro, and this is gonna be like a short unboxing video. So let's get right to it. GoPro, I got it at the Shoppers Drug Mart. It was a deal. It was like 50% off. The original price was $400, and we got it for $200. So, anyways, let's get to it. So we have the setup here. I have the camera during this angle. So I'm gonna try to cut from this angle here. Cutting open the box. There's a Hero LCD Plus. It's not like, I don't think it's one of those. It's either a newer version or an older version. It's probably an older version. Alright, boom. We have the quick start guide. Everything seems brand new. We have the stickers. GoPro Be a Hero, not sponsored. Another guide for something, a manual. Cables. This might be the charging cable. What is this? Some kind of attachment thing. And these are two attachment things. These are two cases, it seems like. Now onto the GoPro. Damn. It is pretty small. It looks like it's waterproof because there's a case over it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Hey guys, so this is the view through the GoPro. As you can see, this is my setup. I actually flipped my setup around so the screen faces my wall, so you don't have to see the vastness of my keyboard, mouse pad, and the monitor setup is still the same. It's just everything is weird. It's kind of messy right now. I also got a monopod stand mini tripod 3-way for my GoPro. It's right here. It came collapsed, but this is pretty cool. I'll be using it for vlogs and stuff when I do that again. The quality looks good too. So. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this unboxing / review of the GoPro. I reviewed it to be pretty good quality. Yeah. See you later. Waterproofing it up with GoPro. Not sponsored.